How does a steam engine work? A steam engine is a heat engine that converts the energy stored in steam into mechanical work. It operates based on the principle of using pressurized steam to produce motion, and it was a cornerstone of the Industrial Revolution, powering locomotives, factories, and ships. The working of a steam engine involves several stages, which can be understood through the processes of steam generation, expansion, and exhaust. The process begins in the boiler, where water is heated using fuel such as coal, wood, or oil. The intense heat converts water into high-pressure steam, which accumulates in the boiler's steam drum. This pressurized steam is the working medium of the engine. It is then directed through pipes to the cylinder, the heart of the steam engine, where it performs work by pushing the piston. Inside the cylinder, steam enters through an inlet controlled by a valve mechanism. When steam fills one side of the piston, its high pressure forces the piston to move, converting the thermal energy of the steam into mechanical motion. As the piston moves, it rotates a crankshaft or a flywheel, which drives external machinery or vehicle wheels. The reciprocating motion of the piston is thus converted into rotational motion through the crankshaft. After the steam has expanded and lost most of its energy in moving the piston, it exits the cylinder through the exhaust port. The spent steam is either released into the atmosphere in non-condensing engines or routed to a condenser in condensing engines. In the condenser, the steam is cooled back into water, creating a vacuum that improves efficiency and recycles water for reuse in the boiler. To enhance efficiency, some steam engines use a compound system, where steam is expanded in multiple stages through several cylinders, extracting more energy from it. The overall efficiency of the steam engine is dependent on factors like boiler pressure, steam temperature, and the quality of the valve timing mechanism. Advantages of steam engines. 1. Simple and versatile power source. Steam engines can use a variety of fuels such as coal, wood, or oil to generate steam. This versatility makes them adaptable to different energy sources, especially in areas where specific fuels are abundant. 2. High torque output. Steam engines provide high torque at low speeds, making them suitable for heavy-duty applications like locomotives, ships, and industrial machinery. They can maintain consistent power under heavy loads. 3. Reliable operation. With fewer moving parts compared to modern internal combustion engines, steam engines are robust and reliable. They are capable of running for long periods with minimal mechanical issues. 4. Environmentally adaptable. Steam engines do not rely on specific external conditions, such as weather or altitude, to function efficiently. They can operate in various climates and terrains without significant performance changes. 5. Historical significance. Steam engines played a crucial role in the Industrial Revolution, enabling advancements in transportation, manufacturing, and energy production, which laid the foundation for modern technology. Disadvantages of steam engines. 1. Low efficiency. Steam engines typically have lower thermal efficiency compared to internal combustion engines. A significant amount of energy is lost as waste heat during the steam generation process. 2. Bulky and heavy design. The size and weight of steam engines, along with their boilers and water storage requirements, make them unsuitable for small or lightweight applications, limiting their use to large machinery and vehicles. 3. High maintenance requirements. Steam engines require regular maintenance to ensure safety and efficiency. Boilers must be inspected frequently to prevent issues like leaks, scaling, or catastrophic failures. 4. Slow startup time. Steam engines take time to generate steam before they can start operating. This delay makes them less practical for applications requiring instant power delivery. 5. Water dependency. Steam engines require a continuous supply of water for steam generation. This dependency can be a challenge in arid regions or areas with limited water resources.